Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you looking for a way to connect with your audience and keep up with them and update them with your latest news, product, or even like services? A newsletter can be a powerful tool to engage your subscribers and build a loyal following. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a professional looking newsletter using Wix, including how to choose a template, customize your design, and your content, and send your newsletter to your subscribers. So, without any further talking, let's dive in. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So the first thing that I will need you guys to do is launch your browser and simply go to the URL section and search for wix.com. So let's do that real quick. Go here, wix.com, and here we go. Now, normally I will show you how they're gonna open the site before you log in. So it's gonna be something around this. You can either click on get started over here or in the right top corner. So over here. So I'm going to click here just to show you how to do so. Click on continue to with Google or with Facebook, or you can just sign up with the normal way, which is email, email again, password again. I'm going to go with my Google account and then go with my chosen account. Now they will connect me to my account. Here you have to put your phone number. If you're not necessary, just go with not now. And finally here, as you can see, you will be able to create up to 7 websites. Let me just create a new site. When you create a new site, guys, make in mind that an old website is gonna be removed. So make sure that this is in your mind. Now I'm going to put here blog as the kind of website. So blog here, and here we can put news, and you can just add news blog. Next, and as you can see here, we have to put the name. So newsletter tutorial, and next. And finally here, you have to choose the things that you'd like to have in your website. So we need to have a blog, forums, Instagram feed. Okay, we need that, and some events. So like that, I think if it is good, click on next. Now, once you get to the page, do not click on go to dashboard, but click on begin with a template. So let's go into that. And here guys, where you are going to choose your template. There's multiple kind of templates. There's business, health, beauty, fashion, restaurant, travel, and a lot of kind of templates. So you just have to choose the best one for you. So if we find here, for example, news, we will find here this one. So there is this kind of website that are really good for news. This, for example, this one. They are a kind of news and a blog at the same time. So I'm going to go with, for example, this one. So I'm going to click on edit to have it in between my hand and I can customize it. Here we go. This is the page, as you can see, and let's wait a little bit. So here it is. Now it is loading, as you can see, and let's give it some time until it loads. So basically it will take around 10 to 30 seconds to load. It will not take a long time. So I'll be back right after it's loaded. And back to you guys. Now, as you can see, I have created the website. It is ready to be edited. So simply here, you'll find the website. As you can see, everything in this website is actually editable, customizable. You can edit whatever you'd like and change whatever you feel like. Let's start with, for example, the menu. You can go here and click into the menu, as you can see, and change the categories, change the menu, change the way it is. So let's go, for example, to click on manage menu, and here they will open this page. Here we can add pages to the menu, create a new menu items, and remove some old or existing menu items. Let's start, for example, with shared gallery. We can remove, for example, shared gallery by deleting it. here or hide it. So it is hidden now. We can also make it back and click on show to show it. We can show the search result, which is going to be in here as well, and this member section, which is going to be there as well. Now, in case you wanted to see your blog pages and where you're gonna put your newsletter, you can go to here, and here they are, the posts and stay informed. These two pages are the ones where you're gonna post your blogs and etc. This is an example of how they're gonna look like. If I clicked here, for example, on one of these, you can click here to manage posts. If you want into that category, so let's go and click into it, they will open this window for you. So let's wait until it loads. And basically, guys, to actually have the full like access to everything, make sure to have the premium version. I highly recommend it because it is really insane. Now let's go and create a newsletter, which is a new post. Click here to create a new post, and that's it. Here you just have to put the text, the content, the article, the blog, whatever you call it. And after you're finished with that, so let's do like a random thing here. Here we go. And we can add here, I don't know, image, etc. So you can add whatever you feel like. It is completely up to you. Let me just drag an image. No notes. Let me drag this Super Mario image. Here it is. Sample. It's gonna take some time to upload. I have like a really bad connection today. Anyway, here it is, and when I'm done with it, so as you can see, I will click on publish. And right after that, maybe later, you will find it in this section with the other post that you have created. As you can see here, you'll find the name or the title, the writer name, the when it was created, and the amount of views, the comments, and of course the likes if it has any likes. And to be able to read it, you just have to click on it as you click here. So click on publish and then go to the preview mode. As the preview mode, it will allow you to see the website as a visitor. So here all you have to do is click on it, and they will take you directly to the page of the post where you can actually read everything and leave a comment, leave a like, and much more. So let's go back to now to all posts. You'll find here a like and one eye, which is one visitor. Let's add a comment, which is simply by clicking here and writing anything you have in mind. Of course, there is the actual method to sign up into your own website and have members of their community, or else they will have only a non-member name, but else they can create a web like account and make their own name, and you can actually know with whom are you connecting, who are your own member. So yeah guys, that's how you can create your own Wix newsletter. I hope you like this video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.